Alright, so this is a card reader, and this is going to be used to transfer whatever you recorded onto iMovie on the computer. And you just plug the SD card in here, and then the computer will read it. So one end is a USB, that's what you're going to plug into the computer, and on a Mac usually it's on the back, which you can see right here. And just plug it in like that. And nothing's going to pop up yet on the screen because there's no card in it. But when you put a card in it, it should come up. There we go. And no spot. Okay, so see right, you can see here no name popped up. That's the name of the SD card, I guess. And if you click on that, it should have your videos in it. Alright, let's go. So if you're an interpreter, these are the steps you'll take to view your video on your desktop or your laptop or whatever you're using to watch it. Okay, so now that you've plugged in the card reader with the SD card in it, it's time to import the movies from the card reader. And to do that, you're going to open up a program called iMovie. And then once iMovie's open, it should look like this. And you can scroll up to the top, and under File, there will be a drop-down menu, and if you scroll down to Import from Camera, it should automatically bring up this pop-up window that has the files from the SD card on it. And then if you've recorded multiple files, it'll have several here. We just had one on the camera, so there's only one there in these little windows. Then you can check all the ones that you want to import, and in the bottom right, click on Import. And then this menu will pop up, and you can either add it to an existing event, which we don't have any, so we're going to create a new event. And you can title that event whatever you want. And then once you've typed that in, just click on Import. And depending on how long the clips are that you're importing, this could take anywhere from a couple minutes to a few hours. It just depends on how long the videos are. And so once that's done, just click on OK, and then click Done. And then once you're here, you'll see your file. And ours is really short. It's only 7 seconds long. A longer one will take up more space. And whatever parts of that file, usually for your case it'll be the entire thing, you want to highlight the whole video and then just drag that up here to the top and drop it there. And then once that's loaded in the top, you're going to share the video, which is basically exporting it to your desktop. And to do that, you're going to go up top in the toolbar and click on Share and Export Movie. And here you can title your movie and you can tell it where to export to. So we'll just title it Camera Tutorial, same as we titled the event. And since it's already going to the desktop, I don't need to tell it where to go. And then just click on Export. And this, again, usually takes a really long time. I've sped it up here. With a video that's, an hour long, that could take anywhere between an hour to 5 hours, depending on how fast the computer is. So then once that's done exporting, it'll show up on your desktop. You can see it over here on the right. And then if you click on that, it should play.